Hi, my name is Aditi Surana. I am a high performance coach and a behavioral analyst, founder of India's only mental fitness gym called APT. It was an eye-opening. I really liked it. There were so many parts where the framework of the overall sales process was my favorite part. Especially as a behavioral analyst, I study human mind and study the behaviors through the framework. So for me, that part of looking at the process scientifically was my favorite part. I can't say whether they were practical as of now. They sounded very practical, but as I would walk into the process and start implementing it, I would know. Having said that, how it would implement in my business, I'm starting a B2B service when it comes to the productivity related mental gym that I'm designing at this point in time. In the past, I had people who I worked with, people who are part of my team, they managed B2B. I've never done it on my own. So this is going to be a new journey when I would hire new people and train them into this framework so that all of us can be on the same page. So I have lots of hopes from what I have learned during the workshop. So fingers crossed. Absolutely. I think it would be a great investment of your time. Like in the class when I was attending this workshop, there were other people who are professional sales professionals into the field for say 25 years, 18 years, and they were learning, and it was a great way to see after all these years of being in this field, they were deriving so much of value. So I believe if you are a sales professional, having a formula and having a kind of method to this madness would be an amazing thing for you. I believe sales, like any other craft, is based on your practice or riyaz, as I call it always. And I would love to have monthly sessions where I can come back with my experiences and learn, like from the teacher, if we can have like an hour-long session, or with other peers. So, that whole idea of seeing whether I'm getting this format correct or not, and having feedback mechanism on a practical ground, I believe that would make my implementation of the practical tools that I've learned with my facilitators very, very effective. So please do that. I have spoken about this in the past, even to my facilitators, but I would really, really like to do it. But thank you. I love working with the team also. They were like so prompt in all their conversation and communication. I would say that's not my suggestion, but that's my specific point of appreciation to everyone from the beginning of my conversation to the end of it, the way they handled the whole thing and the way they stayed true to every follow-up. Like whatever you guys are doing is absolutely amazing. So thank you and all the best.